Today we're going to talk about adding contacts, tagging contacts, and adding a contact to a SmartPlan. So we'll start by accessing our contacts applet in Command. And there are two ways you can add a contact. You can import a list of contacts, or you can add a contact manually. If you choose to import a list, the first thing you want to do after clicking the import button is to download the pre-made CSV file. So once I download that and look at the file, you'll see that it has already been created with the necessary column names. So we don't change any of these column names. You simply are going to add your contact information in the appropriate column. So you might copy and paste this from a resource that you have already existing, a downloaded spreadsheet from some other source, and you'll just copy the information into the first name column. You'll copy their last name into the last name column, etc., continuing with all of their contact information. You save that file, and then you can upload it, drag it, and drop it, following these instructions that are in Command to do that. Once you upload that or import those, you'll see a notification appear from the bell icon when the import is complete, and you'll see that it was successful. To add a contact manually, choose Add Contact and begin to enter the contact name. Of course, you're going to want to have their email address entered, phone number, contact information, everything that you have. You'll select yourself as the owner. That's appropriate. And then you have the option to enter tags. Command has several tags built in for you to choose from if you'd like to use them. You also can make your own tag. So let's say if you want to create a custom tag named soccer, maybe it's from a child soccer team contact, then you can enter that and add that as a tag. You can add numerous tags if you wish, and the benefit to adding a tag to your database is you can segment them in ways that allow you to communicate directly with people from certain categories and tags. It helps with marketing especially. So to add more information, we can have additional contact information if we'd like to enter the preferred method of contact, an additional email or phone number that you might have. And then this is where you're going to add their home address. You choose if it's the same as the mailing address, and the benefit to adding this home address is that Command will create neighborhood snapshots for you according to the customer's home address. If you have social profiles that you'd like to add, this is where you would do that. And then you have some additional information. If they have a legal name you want to enter, if you want a description, basically a note, maybe reminding you of where you met them or something like that. If you have their birth date, home anniversary, you can add them here. And then if they have a spouse, you can add the spouse information here and create the spouse's contact record from this screen and connect the two together as a spouse, which will make it helpful down the road when you have a transaction with both spouses. You can connect them together on the transaction. Any work name information you want to add is here. And under the sales pipeline category, you can put them in a captured or connected stage. And then you can enter your lead source type. You can select it from a list that exists within Command. Or if you want to select it from a contact, if you have an existing contact, perhaps that was your lead source for this new contact. And then custom, if you'd like to add a custom field, you can do that here if there's something else you want to track. I'll click Create, and then you'll see that my new contact has been created as Daffy Duck. You'll see that this new contact, the tag that I just gave them, it appears here. If I had imported contacts and I wanted to bulk add tags or add tags to multiple contacts, I can choose them and select a bulk action to add bulk tags. So if I wanted to add all 4 of these customers to the same tag, I could add it this way. And now all of my customers have those tags. In order to add a customer to a Smart Plan, if I have a Smart Plan existing in my Smart Plan library, I can also do a bulk action to add them to a Smart Plan, or I can do it individually by choosing the three dots to the right of each individual customer and adding them to a Smart Plan. So let's go to our Smart Plans applet and see what I have in my library. My Smart Plans are active or previous Smart Plans I have added. I also have a number of Smart Plans to choose from in the library. I can view the steps of each Smart Plan, and once I'm happy with that, I can add that Smart Plan to the library by choosing it and apply. And once it's in my Smart Plans, this is the one I just added, then I have the option of choosing contacts to add to that Smart Plan. Again, I can add them from the Contacts applet, as I just showed you, or when I'm in the Smart Plans applet, I can add a contact by choosing the little icon with a person in it, and I can either search by name or I can search by tags. If I find my tags that I just entered, I know that I have the buyer tag. Let's try that. Again, here I can go into my tags. I can find my buyer tag, and it's going to show me all of the customers that are tagged with that. I can select them all and add to Smart Plan. It has asked me if I want to start it now or start it on a following date or stagger the start. If you need additional instructions on creating a Smart Plan or adding Smart Plans to your Smart Plan library, then we can certainly direct you to some additional resources for that. Thank you.